Hello all. In this video, we are going to address most frequently asked questions related to pursuing a career in data science. If you're wondering if data science is the right path for you, this video will help you to make informed decision. Let's get started. So the first question is, what is data science? Data science is a field that involves extracting meaningful information and insights and knowledge from the data that is provided by the company. And data science engineers or data scientists use machine learning algorithms or create data visualizations using Tableau or Power BI. And so basically the data science role involves creating machine learning algorithms and creating data visualization plots and charts and getting meaningful insights from that information. For example, Walmart. Let's say you are a data science engineer at Walmart and you're working on Walmart stores data, not online portal. Let's say you've placed product one milk in shelf 1. Okay, and you place product 1 milk in the shelf 1 and product 2 bread is in, let's say, shelf 30. Okay, and if milk is in the shelf 1 and bread is in the shelf 30, let's say the product sales is around $10,000 combined sales of both the products. But let's say now you've changed the plan. Now you've placed milk in the shelf 1 and you have changed bread from shelf 30 to shelf 2. So now milk and bread are beside each other. Now let's say the product combined sales are around $30,000. So this is just an example, not real numbers, but mostly this is one real-time scenario that you'll be using data science and machine learning to understand the product sales and correlate with different products. You will create analysis plots of different all the products in Walmart, and you'll compare it with other products. And so here you have to make these decisions. These days, ChatGPT has been used everywhere. You can create plots and several machine learning algorithms using ChatGPT, but this information to which product to place where, this you have to decide on your own. So this is the rough idea of how data science engineers work and how data science is used in the real world. Now the second question is data science in demand? Yes, of course, data science is in demand career, and it is one of the fastest growing career in India and as well as in the US. Most of the companies and most of the product-based companies are hiring for data science engineers and machine learning engineers. Now the third question is, what skills do you need? So data science engineers require a different skill set. They require both technical knowledge and as well as soft skills. In technical skills, you need to know Python, R, machine learning, deep learning, and data visualization using Tableau, Power BI, or using Matplotlib or Seaborn. You need to know stats and probability, calculus. And in soft skills, you need to have communication skills, problem solving skill, and the most important is you need to have domain knowledge. You should be expert in one particular domain. Now the fourth question is, what education is required? Most of the companies prefer bachelor's or master's in computer science or stats or related field, but it is not mandatory. You may be from mechanical engineering background, you may be from civil engineering background, or you may be doing psychology, physics, or chemistry or biology in your bachelor's, but still you're eligible for this role. The only thing that you need is skills in data science domain. Most of the companies don't care which background you have, but you have to do the work that is assigned to you. So you must prove your capabilities, you must prove yourself. In that situations, your bachelor's degree or master's degree doesn't matter a lot. And that is the problem only for freshers. When you're fresher, companies tend to look your educational background, but once you have like 2 to 3 years of work experience, they don't check your education background. Most of the companies only look at your work experience. Now the fifth question is, what's the work environment like? Data science engineers work in different environments and different settings. If you're working in large product-based companies, you might be having fancy office with a lot of freebies. But if you're working for a startup, then you might be working in a small environment with small setup. many research institutions have work environment where you will be researching on AI and machine learning. So it differs company to company, and as a data science engineer, you'll be working in a good setup. The sixth question is, can you transition to data science? Yes, of course. Data science field attracts professionals from various backgrounds. You may be from pharmacy background and you've learned data science. Now you want to work for a pharma company and you can work as a data scientist there. And as you have domain knowledge of pharmacy, you'll be able to solve the problems in a better way comparing to people who are from computer science background and working as a data science engineer. So your domain knowledge always helps, and as it's a wide field, you may be from different backgrounds, but you can transition into data science. I have work experience of more than 4 years in the field of data science, and I've worked with several people who are from non-computer science background but have transitioned successfully into data science, and they worked with good companies. So it's possible you can achieve this with the right path. Now the seventh question is, how's the career growth? Data science is a fast growing career field, so there are a lot of opportunities in the field of data science, and there is a good career growth. Initially it will be a bit difficult. Let's say you are a fresher and you just learn data science, so initially you'll be looking for internships, and while looking at internships and fresh jobs, you will be having difficulties. You will face so many issues while applying and creating resumes and applying for jobs, getting shortlisted and getting interviews. So this is for 0 to 1 years of work experience. But when you have like more than 2 years of work experience, then you will have a lot of opportunities. You'll become a data scientist or senior data scientist. So mostly senior data scientists require like more than 3 to 4 years of work experience. But it depends on the company. Few companies give that role based on your knowledge, and few companies give that role based on your work experience. Now let's talk about the salary. If you are a fresher or having 0 to 1 years of experience, you can expect a package of 4 LPA in service-based companies and around 10 to 12 LPA in product-based companies. And this is in India. And when you talk about US, at this stage you can expect anywhere between 70k to 90k as a fresher. But if you have this work experience, if you have more than 2 years of work experience or 3 years of work experience at good companies, you can expect anywhere between 14 LPA to 20 LPA. And if you have more than 5 years or 6 years of work experience, you'll grow the ladder, and you can become a senior architect or a team leader or a manager. I've seen people who have more than 40 lakhs per annum. I have worked with them. There are high possibilities that you'll get 40 LPA if you have more than 5 years of work experience in a good company. And when you talk about US, then if you have like more than 5 years of experience, you can have package anywhere between 150k to 190k. I know several people who have more than 190k package. I have my friends who are working in good product-based companies such as Amazon, Facebook, and Google, and they have package more than 200k in the field of data science. So that's all for today. I hope I have answered your queries. See you again in the next video, and we'll be discussing the complete roadmap in the future videos. Thank you.